It is a gorgeous day out here, so we're gonna jump in the water and have a look.
Our mood has lifted by like 1,000,000 times. What do you think?
10 out of 10. Right, the Sanger or the beach? Oh, 10 out of 10.
But you're saying it's 10 out of 10 as well?
Yeah.
What have you got?
Vegemite and cheese. I haven't had a Vegemite and cheese sandwich since I reckon I was at school. A little bit hungover today, so I'm not really feeling it for the camera.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We have come down to the beach and we're gonna go for a dive here because it just looks so nice. We're very, very keen to get in the water. Yeah, I feel a bit dusty. So
better than the other day. Looks a lot better than the other day.
Conditions are bloody mwah.
We had a few beers last night. We had a week off alcohol. It made us both feel so good. Like so just onto it all the time, just energy. We're getting up so early.
Yeah.
And now I feel like crap. I'm never drinking it again.
Nah, either. It's not worth it.
Nah. Or maybe there's a little like beach there we could jump in and swim out. It is so beautiful down here at the moment. Check it out. What do you think, Mads?
Let's get in.
We're just saying every time I ask her that, she says, let's do it! In all our videos when we go dive.
Let's do it!
This is what makes me happy.
Oh, like, yeah.
Oh.
We are frothing. Wow. So peaceful under there. Has lifted by like 1,000,000 times. Before we were just like, whatever. But now it's like, oh, the best day ever.
This is like why I live for days like this. I didn't have these expectations. This is why I love the ocean so much, because it's so beautiful.
very successful. That was so good. One of the best dives we've been on in a long time. Very happy.
Very happy, feeling much better.
Yeah.
So for lunch today we've got chippies.
Yum. Look how good they look.
Can't wait. A few days later, the conditions were looking amazing once again, so we took the opportunity to jump straight back in the water, but this time with the spear gun. We've knocked off work, we're getting in the water. It's the perfect arvo for it. Yeah, we're pretty keen. So we finally got fish after lots and lots of times of trying.
Finally.
And a few abs. We got a couple abs as well, a couple of the small rose abalone. It's just a little drummer. A lot of people don't like eating him, but we've had it a couple times and I think it's nice. I like it. I think it's worth shooting. Whoa, crab's going for my...
Oh my god.
Yoo-hoo! Oh. What do you think, Tobes?
Stoked. Got the desert weapon.
So that was a successful dive. I got a drummer and Tobes got a drummer, and we got a couple of the small rose abalone as well, which they only need to be 60mm to get. We haven't tried them before, so we just grabbed a couple and we thought we might give them a try. A lot of people don't like eating silver drummer, but I don't know, we've had it a couple times and I reckon it's pretty nice. I think it's worth taking over not taking, and there's heaps out there, so it's super sustainable.
Yes. Stoked.
Awesome.
On the hand spear.
Yeah, so good. On the little yellow thing.
Hawaiian sleeves. So we have got this really cool new coffee. It's like drip filter coffee, and we've both never had that before, so we're very excited.
I've had it.
Oh, you've had it?
Yeah.
With the filter that goes on the cup?
Oh no, not this.
Yeah. So the filter goes on the cup and then you pour it through. So
Yeah.
this will be our first time and I'm very excited about it.
By the gums, they're Victorian. Oh, right, like that. Quick story time. So last night we were sitting here. Let's come over for a look. We were sitting here. And
Where?
We had 2 veggie sausages on the stove just sitting there eating dinner, and there was a kookaburra up there in that tree.
Watching us?
Yeah, it was just watching us, and Maz just like, oh, look at that, such a nice kookaburra. And we're like, oh, that's nice. It was just there for a while, we didn't think anything of it. And then it made its move, and it just flew down, just like so quick, and it was coming at us. We were just like, holy shit. And then it just went, picked up the sausage, and then just flew off, and it just had the sausage in its mouth, and it just took it. Just stole our sausage.
Meanwhile, I'm halfway through a mouthful of food and I see the kookaburra take the sausage and I'm like, oh! And then I like, my food like almost chokes in my throat. And then we both like get up and I'm like coughing, and then we're like running down the path, like chasing this kookaburra with our sausage. Oh, and then the kookaburra flies up and sits in a tree and we can't reach it to get our sausage back. I thought kookaburras were cute, but they're not cute anymore. I still respect them. I think they're very smart, but a little bit sneaky if you ask me.
Yeah, I reckon.
And then, while we were sitting here, the kookaburra was like just all the way down there eating our sausage and like looking at us. Like it knew that it was like just far enough out of reach, but it could still just like rub it in, like, haha, I got your yummy sausage. Yeah. Yum.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really yummy. Haven't had like a long black in a while.
We caught up with some mates from back home and jumped in their four-wheel drive to do a bit of a beach mission. It was a cracker day and we found a nice little spot to go for a snorkel. Chopping up some carrot. Yeah, we're gonna make some fish tacos.
How are we gonna cook it?
We're just gonna cook it up in some butter and garlic because we don't really have anything else, but that's been pretty good. That's what we've been doing lately. It's been very yum.
Cannot go wrong with butter and garlic. It'll make the worst species taste amazing.
It's not really fish tacos apparently, it's fish wraps. Bit of spinach, capsicum, carrot, red onion, fish and creepy mayo.
Thank you, Mitchy, for getting the fish.
No worries.
Thank you, fish. Lots of time in the ocean equals a very happy Mitch and Mads. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this one.